In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the pointer mode on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, you want to go underneath Input Devices. Go ahead and just select that itself. And then on the right side where it says Pointer Mode, you can click the drop down and select either Tool icon with crosshair or crosshair only. Select the OK button to confirm your selection, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.